Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using in your PC. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. And once you open your browser, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And of course, from here, you will need to go and just type Google Docs and hit the enter button, which will take you into this page. And of course, from this page, just hit the first link. Of course, make sure to avoid any advertisements or any ads. And once you click on that link, you'll find yourself here with this page. Of course, if you are not on this page, make sure to go back and check for the right link. So once you are here, you would like to click at sign in at the top right corner if you have already an account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to click at the sign up option for free. And of course, if you have your Google account already linked with your browser, you will need to or that will actually be much faster signing up or signing in, and it will prevent you from going through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here with this page. And of course, that's gonna be your home page. And from here, you'll be able to create a blank project if you want. You'll be able to open some recent documents, or you'll be able to choose one of their templates and start working on it. For me, I'm just going to open a recent document, which is empty actually, because I don't want a lot of recent documents if I create a blank project. So once you are here and you want to enable the dark mode, as you can see from here, so here, if you notice, you will not have any option to use a dark mode option. So of course, if you want to have the dark mode, of course, you would like to have an extension. So all you need to do, open a new tab, go to extensions, go here to the first link, and all you need to do now is just look for this extension, which is dark and night shifts. So let's just type it, dark and night shifts, hit the enter button, and of course it's gonna be this one. You find this featured on it, so make sure to click on it, add it on your Brave now, or for me Brave, for you whatever browser you have. Now you would like to go back to your Google Docs. When you have it already added, go here to your extensions, make sure to pin it if it's not pinned, and now you'll find this here. Now I'm just going to click on it, and I'm just going to click at this button. And as you can see, now we'll have the dark mode. Of course, you will even be able to change the brightness or do whatever you want with your dark mode. Of course, you will have the option to do that. So once you finished, you can just go and you are working with dark mode right now. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.